Today's tech spotlight shines brightly, though not so favorably, on AppLovin Corporation. You've probably heard about their impressive climb up the NASDAQ charts as the rock star of tech stocks in 2024, thanks largely to their hit AXON advertising software. But today, that glitz is looking a bit tarnished. AppLovin shares took a nosedive, losing over 11% of their value, a dip mirroring the harsh scrutiny from two rather vocal short seller entities, Panda and Culper Research. So, what's the story that's got AppLovin and their investors sweating bullets? Well, grab your popcorn, because it's a bit of a blockbuster plot. At the heart of the allegations is AppLovin's flagship AXON ad software, which these short sellers describe as the centerpiece of a house of cards. Panda did not hold back, accusing AppLovin of engaging in fraudulent advertising practices. They claim that AppLovin is being a bit sneaky with some rather questionable techniques, with forced app installs and silent data collection being the forms of attack. It's like a digital sleight of hand, but instead of pulling rabbits out of hats, they're pulling data from unexpected places. Culper Research seemed to echo these sentiments by also pointing fingers at AXON for its shady dealings. They're slinging some serious allegations of data exploitation, saying that the software forces app installs via the old trickaroo of sneaky UX gimmicks. It's basically like taking candy from a digital candy store. Their words, not mine. The stakes climb even higher when they allege that AppLovin boosted their burgeoning e-commerce endeavors by hitchhiking data from giants like Meta, using this to boost targeted ads. For a company that soared to dizzying heights with a monumental 700% stock surge in 2024, these accusations had a fast and furious impact on investor trust. As the shares went on a roller coaster ride no one wanted to buy a ticket for. In the midst of this turmoil, legal sharks are in the water. Berman, Tabacco, and Leviton are nosing around for potential securities violations. With their investigative heads and a history of wrangling up settlements for defrauded investors, they're examining allegations that read like a legal thriller. Now, CEO Adam Foroughi isn't taking this lightly. He threw down a digital gauntlet, refuting the short seller's claims in a passionate defense. According to Foroughi, these reports are peppered with inaccuracies as fragrant as a bag of old gym socks. He's dismissing these claims as nothing more than hit jobs aimed at cratering AppLovin's stock price for some quick gains. So, while investors hold their breath on volatile market waters, the saga continues. Legal teams comb through every pixel and byte of data, and investors are on edge, closely following updates. The stage is set for additional drama, or perhaps a promising redemption arc. You can't make this up. It's tech industry intrigue at its finest. Thanks for watching to the end. Remember, this is just one story from our full daily show, which includes all the other news and an analysis of the day's tech market activity. If you found this video interesting or insightful, then please like, subscribe, and share it with others. Your support is greatly appreciated. Catch you later.